welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another sewing tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this super cute crop top with bell sleeve. It's super easy, it's super fast. I know you guys are going to love it. I'm living for this kind of tops right now. It's just so simple, but yes, so stylish. It's like you're doing, but then you're not doing too much. You're like Before I start this tutorial, I just want to tell you guys that I'm going to be switching the outlook of this channel a little bit. I'm going to be doing a lot more of styling videos, fashion related videos. So think about lookbooks, think about haul, think about like going live shopping with me. So those are the kind of videos that I really want to incorporate into this channel. Definitely gonna be DIYs videos. That's gonna stay 4 videos a month, and the rest of the other videos are just going to be extra videos that I want to put up on this channel. So you guys already have an heads up when you start seeing fashion videos from me. But I think you guys love it because you guys already told me that I should do more fashion related videos in the past. So that's what's gonna happen. So that said, let's get on with the sewing tutorial. For this tutorial, you're going to need a yard to 1.5 yards to make this top. You're going to need your machine thread, you're going to need elastic, you're going to need scissors, pins, and you're going to need your sewing machine. So let's get started. We only need 2 measurements for this dress, for this top. So basically you're going to need your chest measurements, and your shoulder measurement. So my chest measurement is 30 inches, and I'm going to be adding 20 inches to that because I'm going to gather it. So my chest measurement is 30 plus 20 is going to make it 50. And then I also went ahead and measured my shoulder measurement, which is 44 inches, and I'm also going to go ahead and add 20 inches, and that's going to make it 64 inches. So if you want to determine the piece for both sleeve, you're basically going to minus your chest measurement from your shoulder measurement. So that means 64 minus 50 is going to give you 14 inches, if that makes sense, right? That means 14 inches is going to be the measurement for each width of the sleeves. I'm going to show you how to cut the sleeve. So basically this is the shape of the sleeve here. I'm not like the best artist drawer in life, so I'm just going to explain to you what I'm going to achieve with the. So this is the shape that we're going for. The width here, this is the 14 inches, and the bottom width you can go as wide as you want because we want to have that super dramatic flare shape for the sleeve. So we're going to be gathering the sleeve with an elastic band here. So you can determine, like, this is 14 inches wide, and then the length down for me, I'm going to make that 7 inches down, and from that point 7 inches I'm just going to cut it as wide as possible. This is what I mean with the shape of the sleeve. This is it folded, and when you open it you have like a flared shape. Like, you cannot really see it properly, but you see like the ends are wider than that. And we're going to be gathering this piece, so you're gonna have like a nice flare at the bottom. So this is the shape that we're going for. So I have cut out 4 of these pieces, so 2 pieces for one sleeve. Take 2 pieces together like this, right sides together, and you're going to go sew it on one side, leaving the other side open. Okay guys, so we're gonna repeat the same step for the body part. So basically you're gonna fold it like so you can cut everything at the same time. work on the body part, and you want to go ahead and sew it on the side. So you're going to sew it from there to there, then repeat the same step for the other side from there to there. The next step is we're going to work on the sleeve. So as you can see, this is the sleeve, and this line that you see here is basically the line that I've kind of drew there so I can know how to sew my elastic in later. It's going to give me like a guideline so I don't sew my elastic crooked. So that's why I have drawn the line through the entire sleeve. So after you've done that, you can go ahead and sew close your sleeve on the side. So you're going to sew it, and you're just gonna go ahead and sew it from there till there. So after you've sewn the sleeves on the side, the next step is you're going to attach the sleeve to the body part of the top. So go ahead and sew it from there all the way till there. So what I've done off camera, I thought I was filming it, but I thought I showed you, but I just realized I didn't tell you guys the next step. So because we're going to be gathering the top part of the top and the bottom part, I've already went ahead and sew in like a tunnel. So I just fold in the bottom, and then I sewed a straight stitch, and I've left an opening here. I don't know if you can see, and this is where we're going to insert the elastic. So I'm using a safety pin, and these are my elastic. Since my elastic is quite thin, I'm going to be using 2 strings of elastic. So I'm going to take my elastic, and I'm going to look for the hole that I've left, and I'm just going to start inserting my elastic like so. The neckline is already have elastic, and the bottom part also already have elastic. So the only thing, the last bit we need to do is the elastic that we need to like put on the top part of the sleeve. So remember, I told you to already go mark your sleeve with a chalk, so you know so you can sew along the chalk. It's going to make things easier. So basically I'm going to be using the pull and sew trick to sew in the elastic. This is it. I'm going to be pulling the elastic while I sew it. And if you're wondering the measurement of my elastic, it's basically the elastic that goes around my arms. That is the length of this, and this is 12 inches long, unstretched. So I'm going to start sewing. And I'm using a zigzag stitch if you're wondering. So I'm going to start really pulling the elastic to the maximum. Where is it? As you can see, it is gathered. Now here, this is it from the inside, and on the right side, when you turn it inside out, it looks like this. So our top is almost done. The last step, which I'm going to do off camera, you just want to go ahead and hem the arm opening, so the hem of the sleeve, and your top is done. So I'm gonna go do that off camera, and I'll come back to show you guys the finished look. that is the video for today. I hope you guys love it. I'm really trying my best to be consistent, but as you all know, I just had a baby, so I'm really trying to figure out this motherhood and combining it with YouTube. It's a struggle, but I'm trying my best. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know the drill. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It is super free. It doesn't take that much time. You just need to click it up there. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.